Oh, I heard you don't know what it actually takes to be liked by a woman, and therefore you have been having problems with flirting, dating, and relationship. That's why I'm here to help. Because the other day, one of my friends asked me, I don't understand why women don't like me. I'm handsome, I have a good job, but still there must be something that it's missing. And I know what's missing because after being with this guy for some days, I realized that he's missing this one single thing that's making the whole difference. And that's why it doesn't matter if he's handsome, it doesn't matter if he has a good job, it doesn't matter if he has money because he's lacking this very important skill. And today I'm here to reveal it to you. If you're a woman and you want to watch this video, it's actually very good because it's a skill that makes attractive both women and men. It's not something exclusive for men, but most men don't have it, and I'm gonna tell you. And by the way, if you're wondering if I have a chimney in the back while it's like summer outside and it's 35 degrees, I have no idea. But in the meantime, you can subscribe, like, and comment this video once you have watched it. I wonder what you're doing right now because this is scary. Okay, I'll stop. Because I am behind the screen and probably I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but maybe you're folding your clothes, maybe you're watching your phone, maybe you're actually watching, I don't know, and looking forward to exiting this video. But this is exactly what you're missing, which is active listening. And it's not just, hey, I'm listening with my ears and I can hear noise in the background. It's actually like sitting down with me, looking at me in my eyes, even here, if you don't want to look at my eyes because you feel intimidated. But yeah, just looking at me, nodding and saying, I hear you. But that's not enough. That's not enough because you could be hearing me, but you could be not understanding me or feeling me. So my friend the other day had a very nice dinner with this beautiful woman. They are both beautiful, handsome, successful. They are both equal, okay? But something was missing, and it was his capacity of listening to this person. I'm not just saying listening, hearing something, hearing this noise. I'm saying like understanding what she was saying. She was actually like telling a story about her childhood, and he admitted that he was looking around, okay, and then he was looking at his phone sometimes because he would receive work texts at 7 p.m. Yes, it happens. I know you business owners. And so the girl got pissed. But there could have been just one single thing that he could have done to at least show that he was interested somehow because he was really liking this girl. So it's a pity that they didn't end up hanging out or dating again. It was just like nodding when she was talking, putting the phone away. Guess the work texts at 7 p.m. are not that urgent and he could have answered later. So nodding, understanding, rephrasing whatever she was saying. So let's say she said, oh, I felt very sad when I was a kid because my father would buy toys for my sister. Then in that case, he could have just said, oh, I feel you, I understand. So you're saying that your father was buying toys for your sister. Just repeating at least the last sentence to show that he was actually interested and listening to her. Because just by doing that, and it's literally low effort, you don't really have to remember any big thing. Whenever they see that you are actually listening, the person looks at you and thinks, wow, this person is seeing through me. This person is actually interested in me. This flatters egos. Remember, people, it's always about making other people shine and stepping down for a second because that's when you're gonna be remembered the most. So, my friend couldn't make it. He was not able to say, oh, tell me more. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Oh, that's very peculiar. So use all these words, all these excitement affirmations to show that you're interested in that person. But I'm not done with this because it's very important that you're actually active listening. So every time and then, if even the conversation is boring, you can try to intervene by saying, so if I understood correctly, you're saying that with your dad there was not a good relationship, and it's because of the dynamic with your sister or because of his childhood. And this is going to open up more profound, deeper conversations and make it more interesting. And you can ask actually more questions to this person and get to know them better, understand them better, also for your own benefit. And it's a skill that is not just used in real life for dating, to have better friends, to be a better friend, but it's also used in business. Whenever you need to close deals, you have to listen to the pain of the other person. If the other person feels listened, then they're gonna be so happy to give you their money. And this is what's missing in society. Right now, we want to be listened, but we are not willing to listen to other people. Sometimes, for a person to feel better, is having someone actively listening to them, because you're not there to save anyone. Let's be honest here. But you're there to maybe make space for this person, to flatter their ego, to understand that maybe some things are not that bad as they look like. And that's when they realize it, when they are speaking it out loud with someone else who's saying, so you're telling me that you felt this way with your best friend because she didn't like you, or because she was mean. And then you think and you say, no, actually, my best friend was a really good person. Maybe I misunderstood. So you're not just making a favor to yourself because you're going to be respectable. You're making a favor for them too, to grow. And that's when they're going to appreciate you. They're going to feel like you are the safe space, the safe person to talk to. And that's when you're going to create this dopamine effect, this serotonin, because they feel safe and they're going to want to contact you again. That's all psychology. That's all about being a human being. It's not about having the biggest amount of money or the six pack or the most beautiful eyes, because that can last once, twice, and then disappears. But it's about making people feel safe, seen, and make them spit their thoughts out loud, okay? And when you actively listen, you kind of absorb what they say, and they feel like you're taking this negative energy out of them. And they feel lighter. Oh, I feel way better after sharing this with you. Thank you so much for listening. It's so easy. This will make you 1,000 times more attractive than me telling you, go and get a haircut. And it depends on who you are. But trust me, this skill is so good that even myself, I had dates with men that would use this skill to actively listen to me. And then they would remember a detail, I don't know, a birthday, the perfume that I like, my favorite color. And that would blow my mind away. I would fall in love and then I would get in a toxic relationship. But that's another story. I'm joking. But it would make them memorable. And I really like that for them. So they still have a place in my heart where I think that they are good people, great people with great skills. And so that's why for me they are respectable, because they had their moment with me and they listened to me and they felt seen. Then if we split ways, it's for many reasons. But that was a good skill to have, and I'm sure they're going to succeed even better with other women because they have this skill. So I hope you listened. Now repeat what I said. I feel you when you say that you're not getting any women. I do feel you. I understand that it means a lot for you to find the right woman, the woman of your dreams or the man of your dreams. It seems like you have not been applying Nadia Minds instructions. Come back when you have applied that and then let me know your experience. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Nadia Minds. Before I blow up, it's happening, guys. Everything is aligned. It's happening. I'm blowing up. I'm blowing up in this YouTube channel. And if it doesn't happen, it will happen in another life. But I'm blowing up in this life. Subscribe.